Hello guys, my name is Karthik and today I am going to show you how to make optimized website and make lightweight page.
Open to your sport and hit the red button for subscribe channel, and after that press the bell icon for never miss another video.
So as this is the Giftofspeed which is used for an optimize your website or test your website. So here in the first you have a input box where you can type your URL name for testing your page. After the test of your speed, you can improve your page speed within this kind of tools. So there are many kind of tools like there are test tools as well, and there are optimization tool as well. So now we are going to go with the first CSS optimization tool. So in that tool you have here same input box which where you can write your link of your page and then to check. Okay, so after that that will be show you all your CSS file which is connected that link and which can be optimized by this with this platform. So you can compress your files from here with an CSS compression. In this compressor you have to just paste your CSS code or upload your CSS file like this. Here I have just uploaded landing page CSS, and after that you have to just do compress. After that you can see here this original size is at 2934 and it saves 35% of your file size. Then another option is the JavaScript optimization, which is same as in CSS optimization test. You have to just enter your link and do the same. And this is JavaScript compressor. This is also same as a CSS compressor. You have to just upload or paste your code in this text area, and after that you have to hit to compress button, and then you will get result by this compressor. Okay, or make optimized JavaScript file. After this is a gzip compression test. In this compression you will check that your size of your gzip. Gzip means nothing but this is the one file which is the created after making your whole website. So in this gzip this will be contain whole data and sources of your website. So it's very matter how what size of that gzip. After that this is the image optimization test. So this is the same as in I have showed you before. This is the check about your image sizes, and this is the PNG comparison, and this is a CSS sprites current generator. So this will make this is a very nice tool, but this is not much a useful tool, but you can use some of time. So this is the nothing but this will be create just an one image from collecting two of the different size image. So you have to just set position of that images and distance of that images between them, and make just hit to building, and after it you can combine that two pictures into one. Okay, so this is nothing but this is a code as well. So this is a nice option to make two images into one within CSS scripts. Okay, so another we have in this tool we have a caching test. So this will be test your case browser caching. So it will be show you how much time it will take for encaching, and how much time it will give for encaching of your link. And this is the broken link request test. So with this testing you can check your site has any broken links or request is have or not. And this is the HTTP request checker. So this will be check whole request is come from HTTP protocol and give you suggestions about how to optimize that whole request which is come from HTTP protocol. Okay, so you have to just do whole same thing in this whole testing. You have to just enter your URL and to test. This is the basic for encoder for an encoding purpose, and this is the keep alive checker. This will be used for an how your link is alive, how much time it will be alive. I mean any tools and another is line tracker remote and HTTP header checker. So this is also very useful tool. And this line breaker remote is just for an remove your line breakers from HTML, CSS, JavaScript file. And this is the HTTP encoder for an check whole HTTP request. Okay, and then after that you can check your speed within Google tool, which is the thing with Google tool. In the tool you can check your exact speed for a mobile platform. So that's it, guys. If you have any query and question and if you missed any part of this, then please comment down let me below. And so thanks for watching, guys, and please like this video, share to others, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, guys.